once, all of us. But here, please, it will only be one. This is my planet. Truce. All I want is to be back in charge. Optimus, all I ever wanted was the survival of our race. You must see why I had to betray you. You didn't betray me. You betrayed yourself. No, Optimus! Commencing transport. Stop! No, 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 Sentinel! Forgive me. Here we are. Fight us now. Why? For Cybertron, for our home. What war destroyed, we can rebuild, but only if we join with the Decepticons. No, it's not the only way. This is our home. We must defend the humans. So lost you are, Optimus. On Cybertron, we were gods. And here, they call us machines. Let the humans serve us, or perish. You're lucky I didn't kill you. In time, you'll see. It's not over. The city is secure. The humans cannot stop us. As the afternoon falls, the rest of the pillars will reach their launch position. This is the victory I promised you so many years ago. Where we rebuild Cybertron. Together. I have deigned to work with you, that our planet may survive. I will never work for you. And you would be wise to remember the difference. Optimus. You forget your place. I bring you Cybertron, your home, and still you choose humanity. You were the one who taught me freedom is everyone's right. I will retrigger that pillar. Then you'll have to go through me. Decepticon ships! Fire, Optimus!
Effective fire! I need those tomahawks launching now! First wave
make the hard decisions. Our planet will survive. No! We were gods once, all of us. But here, please, it will only be one.
你怎么现在才点关注啊？我都快等不及了。